In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on GoDaddy step by step. Creating your website can seem daunting, but with GoDaddy, the process is straightforward and convenient, even if you're not tech savvy. Stick with me through this tutorial, and you'll have your website up and running in no time. First up, let's get started by heading over to GoDaddy's website. If you haven't already created a GoDaddy account, now is the time. Simply hit the Sign In button at the top right corner, and follow the prompts to create your account. It's just like signing up for any other online service. Enter your email, choose a password, and fill out any other necessary information. Once your account is created, and you're logged in, we can move on to the next step. Now that you're signed in, it's time to choose your domain name. The domain name is essentially the web address where people will find your site. On the GoDaddy homepage, you'll see a domain search bar. Enter your desired domain name. There's something unique and memorable works best, and click Search Domain. GoDaddy will show you if your chosen domain is available, along with some alternative suggestions if it's not. Once you find one you like and that's available, go ahead and add it to your cart. You'll then proceed to purchase your domain, but don't worry, it's usually a fairly affordable investment. With your domain secured, let's move on to setting up your hosting. Hosting is where your website files live on the internet, so it's an essential step. From GoDaddy's homepage, navigate to the Web Hosting section. Here, you'll be able to choose from a variety of hosting plans. Typically, the basic plan is sufficient when you're just starting out. Select the one that best suits your needs, and continue to check out. Keep an eye out for any discount codes GoDaddy might offer. You can often snag a good deal. Once your hosting plan is set up, GoDaddy will guide you through connecting your domain to your hosting account. This is the bridge that makes sure when people type your domain into their browser, they see your website. The process involves a few clicks, and GoDaddy's guided setup makes it very intuitive. After your domain and hosting are connected, it's finally time to build your website. GoDaddy offers a user-friendly website builder that's perfect for beginners. You can pick from a variety of templates that match your style and industry. Once you choose a template, you can start customizing it with your images, text, and other elements. Drag and drop tools make it easy to adjust your layout exactly how you like. Finally, with your site designed, preview it to make sure everything looks just right. When you're satisfied, hit Publish, and just like that, your website is live. Congratulations, you've just created a website using GoDaddy. Don't forget to periodically update your content and maintain your site to keep it fresh and engaging. Thanks for joining me, and happy website building.